FPV drones are taking the world by storm in 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into drone racing or a pro trying to up your game, these drones offer incredible flight performance, stability, and fun. Let's check out the top FPV drones this year, designed to deliver the thrill of flying from a bird's eye view. The DJI Avata 2 is a massive upgrade to its predecessor, offering smooth, stable flight and crisp, high-quality video. It's a perfect choice for both beginners and seasoned FPV drone enthusiasts. The Avata 2 is equipped with an improved camera system that shoots in 4K, delivering stunning footage that's perfect for cinematic shots. Plus, the improved stability features ensure that the drone remains steady in windy conditions or during aggressive maneuvers. The immersive experience is further enhanced with DJI's goggles, making it feel like you're truly flying. The intuitive controls make it beginner-friendly, but the advanced features will satisfy even the most experienced pilots. Check out the links below for more details and pricing. The DJI Avata is another fantastic FPV option from DJI, and it's known for its unique design and performance. It combines DJI's reliable camera technology with an FPV drone's agility, offering smooth footage and sharp visuals. With a 4K camera and superb stabilization, you'll capture amazing, professional-grade content with ease. The Avata also comes with intuitive controls, which make it ideal for beginners who want to dive into FPV without feeling overwhelmed. The compact size is perfect for tight spaces and urban flying, making it a great option for exploring and capturing immersive footage. If you're looking for something that's easy to fly but still offers amazing camera capabilities, the Avata U is a solid choice. Check out the links in the description below for more info and pricing. The Emax Tinyhawk 3+ Freestyle is built for freestyle FPV pilots who want a high-performance drone without the bulk. This drone is light, agile, and incredibly fun to fly, making it perfect for tight maneuvers and stunts. With upgraded motors and better durability, the Tinyhawk 3+ delivers smooth and responsive flight, even in challenging conditions. The camera system provides clear visuals, allowing you to navigate your drone with precision while performing tricks. Whether you're practicing your freestyle moves or just enjoying the thrill of FPV, this drone won't disappoint. If you're into fast, responsive drones with excellent agility, the Tinyhawk 3+ is a must-try. Check the description below for links and details. The BetaFPV Cetus X offers a great balance of power and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for FPV newbies who still want high-end features. With its durable build, smooth flight experience, and HD camera, it's a great drone for anyone looking to get serious about FPV flying. The 4S battery gives you longer flight times, and the 4K camera ensures that you capture stunning footage while flying. The Cetus X's intuitive design makes it easy to control, whether you're flying in open spaces or learning how to navigate more challenging environments. If you want an FPV drone that's easy to fly, but still packs some serious power, the Cetus X is definitely worth considering. More details are in the links below. The BetaFPV Cetus Lite is the perfect drone for beginners looking to explore the world of FPV flying without breaking the bank. While it's not as advanced as the Cetus X, it still offers solid performance with a reliable camera system, stable flight, and an easy-to-use controller. It's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for first-time drone pilots who want to get comfortable with FPV before moving on to more advanced models. The flight time is decent for its size, and the drone is built to handle small crashes, making it great for practice. If you're just starting out and want something simple, affordable, and fun, the Cetus Lite is a fantastic option. Check out the links below for more information. Whether you're just getting started in FPV or you're a seasoned pilot, these top FPV drones of 2026 offer the perfect mix of performance, stability, and fun. From the powerful and compact DJI Avata to the freestyle-friendly Emax Tinyhawk 3+, these drones will elevate your flying experience. Check the links in the description for full details, specs, and pricing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.